My top 5 tips for Jeepers when they hit the open water. Every once in a while, you need to switch up your adventure. So today I decided to leave my Jeep on the pavement and try out a little boating life. And you know what? Jeep life and boating life have a lot of similarities. When you're boating, just like Jeeping, you still need to be careful of those rocks. Those rocks can do a number on your propeller. On a boat, Jeep hair don't care takes on a whole new meaning. And most all of the Jeep Topless do's and don'ts transfer over to a boat. You need sunscreen, an extra blanket for those chilly nights. You need to tie down stuff on your boat. And of course, the leave no trace is in effect too. There's a link to my Jeep Topless do's and don'ts in the description below. And you know what? The Jeep wave? Well, boaters do it too. And number 5, make sure you bring a container, because when you're a chicken shit like me and you want to cool off and you're afraid to jump in the lake water, you need your sister to bring a cup so you can cool off. Oh! Oh, that was cold, Tina. So you can cool off.